Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a personalized illustrated story in Gemini Storybook. It's complete with a narrations and in just about a minute. Okay, let's get started. The fastest way is just type your prompt in the Gemini prompt box. Just type create a storybook about and just type your idea. For example, here's one I made before. I made a prompt like this: create a storybook about a lost puppy who travels across the city to find his owner, like this. And then just hit enter, and in about 90 seconds, Gemini will generate your complete books like this. It's complete with text, and then illustrations, and even it writes your names as author like this. To open the storybook, just click on the sides like this, and it has illustrations like this and even the narrations like this. You can also read it with a full screen like this, or even you can also hit listen to hear it read aloud like this.
One afternoon, a beautiful blue butterfly fluttered past Pip's nose. Forget.
Or even you can also adjust the voice pitch, just choose a higher pitch or a lower pitch. And you can also restart the narrations anytime by click the start from beginning.
Pip's big adventure. Pip the puppy loved sunny afternoons.
Like this. You can also share this storybook by click share to get a public link like this. And then anyone can view it without a Gemini account. You can also share it directly to your social media, or just print it right from here. Next, if the prompt bar doesn't work, just click on the menu and then just go to Gems, and on this pin Gems, if you doesn't find the storybook like this, just tap on Explore Gems and then just choose Storybook. And then just type your prompt in here to generate a storybook. Just type a detailed prompt because it will give you a better result. But take a note, you can't edit single pages yet, so you will need to reprompt to regenerate the story. But don't worry, older versions will stay in your chat, each with its own unique share link. And okay, that's it. You can become a published author in under a minute. It's perfect for gift, memories, or just creative fun. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.